From the previous tutorial about creating group, you can see that we can create groups manually, add the users one by one, but it's not very practical for us in some cases. And in one or two cases, maybe we want to let the system randomly assign the students into the groups that we set. So we can do this by using the auto create groups menu. And if you want to check how to create group manually first, and I recommend you to do that, you can see the tutorial in the description box. So for now, for this tutorial, I want to show you how to use the auto create groups menu. This is a very great menu that lets the system to randomly assign the students into the groups. And there are a few things that we can set here. For the naming scheme, you can check the hub icon as well if you want to. So this is like a rule or the code that we give to the system. So the system will know whether we want the system to give the group name with alphabet like group A, group B, group C, or using the number like group 1, group 2, group 3, and so on. So for example, if I want to set my groups with the number system, I can just use this. So by doing this, the system will create the group and will give it number like group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, and so on. And one thing to be noted is you can see here I type group, but it is not a mandatory thing actually. If you want to change it to like team, it is fine as well. So for example, if I want to create team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, I can use this. And after that, I can set the settings for the auto creation, whether it is based on number of groups or members per groups. For example, I want to Moodle to randomly assign to 4 groups. I have around 18 students, and I want to randomly assign them, so I can just leave it as it is, and then I can just click submit. So here you can see I now already have team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, and the interesting thing is the Moodle will do the calculations for us. You can see the first two contains 5 members and the last two contains 4 members. So it will be distributed or it will be distributed by the system, and we do not have to do the calculations for assigning the students.